So there is something called the PMI membership concepts, and any people can become a PMI member. Okay, what is the advantages of becoming a PMI member? The thing is, first thing is you will have a network. The another thing is your fees for the PMP exam is subtracted, meaning if you are a PMI certified PMI certified PMI member, then the fees is only $405 for you. If you are a non-PMI member, the fees is $555. Now you can also pay it in Indian rupees. There is money equivalent Indian rupees also baselined it. You can visit the pmi.org. You will be knowing about it, right? And the thing is actually the 405 and $555. 405 is for the PMI member and 555 is a non-PMI member. Now, how to become a PMI member? How much you need to pay? You need to pay $139 to become a PMI member. The membership is valid for only 1 year, right? So it's like you are paying the installment, right? Rather than paying one-time application fees of PMP as a $555, first you become a PMI member by paying $139, and then you are going to pay $405. So that is first year is almost like a free for you anyhow. I'm sure all of you have decided to become a PMP. Go for an installment approach first. Consider the PMI membership as an installment approach. That is why I strongly recommend. Okay. Number 2, after you pass the PMP exam, somebody also asked the question. After you pass the PMP exam, the PMP certification is valid for 3 years, right? Do you need to retake the exam? The answer is no, you need not retake the exam. But however, you need to showcase to PMI that in the period of 3 years, you have learned project management concepts for 60 hours. 60 hours in 3 years, right? It's so easy, right? How will you know that what are all the opportunity for you learn, right? And for that actually they call it as a PDU. 60 hours, 60 learning hours equal to 60 PDU. PDU stands for Professional Development Unit. So how do you get the PDU? How to get the learning hour? Do you need to attend? Do you need to pay for somebody? The answer is no. If you are a PMI member, the PMI conducts a knowledge sharing session every now and then, particularly every monthly. I belong to the PMI Chennai chapter. It's okay, I attend the monthly knowledge sharing session from them, right? And it is just 1 hour or 2 hours per month. Once I give my PMI ID to them, automatically I will get the PDU credited to my account. So anybody can become a member to any this one chapter, right? Those of you in Hyderabad, PMI Pearl City chapter is there. For you in Bangalore, PMI Bangalore chapter is there, right? PMI Pune chapter is there. Like this, we have a chapter across the India, across the globe, right? Anybody can become a chapter to any local chapter also. See, if you are a PMI member, then it is 129. I told you 139, right? The $10 goes to the local chapter, right? And knowledge sharing session is one of the advantages. Another thing is the networking is another important. Third one is they have the career planning portal is there. So those of you who want to know that what are all the career opportunities for project managers across the globe, right? If you are a PMI member, you can log into PMI website, pmi.org. There is a career portal within that, and lots of jobs are getting posted across the globe. Anybody can apply, okay, and you can get yourself absorbed into the job. So that is the main thing, and nowadays a lot of people are posting it, and in fact we see the trend got increasing, people who are using the career portal and people who are getting the job also. Yes, another thing is the networking, and another thing is you also should know that what is happening around in the PMI, right, and the PMP or the project management as a whole. When is the PMBOK 7th edition will come? Can I contribute for the PMBOK 7th edition? Who is contributing for it? It's like you and me, people only contributing. Tomorrow you would like to take part in the PMBOK 8th edition, you are allowed, right? Those kind of a voluntary opportunity, right? Across the PMI is a not-for-profit organization. Even the chairman of the PMI is selected by the members, right? And tomorrow you can also become an opportunity to come to the board of PMI. A lot of people from India serves on the board, right? Now, when you say India, it includes the people across the globe, including India. So you can also become one of the board member in PMI. Tomorrow you can also become a chairman, elected chairman. Then you can dictate the strategy for the whole PMI. So all this opportunity you will get it if you are a PMI member. So even though becoming a PMI member is an optional one, but I strongly recommending you, and the renewal rate of PMI membership is 95%, meaning 95% of the people renew their PMI membership every year regularly. That shows the importance of the PMI memberships.